I would say my favorite presenter of all time is Tony Robbins. I've done a number of his programs over the years. I've been reading his stuff for decades, but on stage, he's the best there is. And he's so good at engaging with people. And by that, I mean really making you part of what's happening. You don't just sit back and listen to him, but he makes you feel what's going on. I'd say another one is Sheryl Sandberg from Facebook. She's just the whole package, but she's got this great 3-point process for building presentations. And it's so simple and yet so effective. And it's just 3 things. It's tell a story, make a point, and coin a phrase. When you listen and watch her presentations, if you kind of zoom out, that's exactly what she's doing. She's an amazing storyteller, but she always connects her stories to the data or the research or the points that she wants to make. Third one I'll call out is Brene Brown. She's also an amazing storyteller, very funny, and she's super relatable. And she'll also bring up things in a way that maybe you haven't thought about it before. So that novelty aspect releases dopamine in our brains and it spikes our attention levels. And that's why she's just such an engaging and entertaining speaker. So those are a few of my favorites.